Hello students, today the same thing I will be explaining you as I have explained you for the last two problems also. Last three problems, this is the fourth problem I am doing under default and repossession, that is complete default and repossession. Okay. Um, it is a partial default and repossession. When there is a partial default and repossession, what is the first step is calculate the interest, then calculate the retained value of a truck or a machines, then calculate the possessed value of the machines. Then go for the journal entries or ledger accounts. I'll read the problem here. See, on 1st January 2006, 5 trucks were purchased by Ganesh on hire purchase system from Karavali Brothers. The cash price of each truck is 5,50,000. So each truck is 5,50,000. What is the price of 5 trucks? Multiply, you will get 5 into 5, 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 50,000 into 5, 5 to 10, 25, 26 lakhs around, not 26, 26, 27, 28 lakh. We have to calculate 5,50,000 into 5, you will get 27,50,000. So cash price of 5 truck is 27,50,000. Okay. Now 10% of the cash price are down. They have to pay 10% of it's down. It means what is a 27 lakh into 50,000 into 10%, you will get a 2,70,500 something. It has to be paid as down. 25% of the cash price at the end of the each of the 4 installment half yearly. Okay, so 25% of the cash price at the end of each of the subsequent half year. So every half year they have to pay 25% of the amount. Okay, for 4 installment, 25%, 25%, 25. So 4 installment along with the interest they have to pay. Ganesh paid the first installment but could not pay the second due on 31st December. So they have paid in the June. So in a year twice they have to pay. So because see, it is end of each installment half yearly. Half yearly means in the year 2 times they will pay. Okay, now Karavali Motors allow the Ganesh to keep 3 trucks on the condition that the value of the other 2 trucks would be adjusted. So 3 trucks here will be retaining and 2 trucks they will take away. The truck being valued at 25% less depreciation, and Karavali Brothers spends this much. Now Ganesh will depreciate at 15%. Okay, so 2 depreciation. One is Karavali Brothers depreciation and another is Ganesh depreciation. Now open the journal entries, ledger accounts in both the parties. That is there. Now first step is calculation of interest. Now interest calculation, we have 4 cases. According to the information we have to apply the case. Now here in this problem, cash price is given, a down payment is given, and installment amount is given along with interest. Okay, installment amount is given with the interest. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to calculate the installment amount with interest. We know the installment amount but we don't know the with interest. So it is a second case. We have to go for the second case here. So how to calculate? See, calculation of interest. What is the total cash price? 5 into 10, it is 27,20,000. Down payment is 10%, 2,75,000. Remaining is 24,75,000. 25% each installment. So 25% means 6,87,500. The rate of interest is not given. Okay. The rate of interest is not given. Okay, installment amount we can calculate because installment amount is 25% of remaining. And if you add the interest you will get, but interest rate is not given. That is not given. Okay, so that is the third case you have to go. In that case, what is the total interest? Higher purchase price minus cash price. It is higher purchase price is 6,87,500 into 4 is equal to 27,50,000 plus down payment 27,50,000. So total higher purchase price is 30,25,000. Okay, less cash price, it is 27,50,000. The total interest is so much. Now higher purchase price is 30,50,000 less down payment 2,75,000. So outstanding for the first installment is this less first installment amount, less second installment amount, less third installment amount, less fourth installment amount. Now what is the remaining for first installment? You have to take the ratios. I think this with this I have already explained you so many times. Same thing is repeated. Third case we have to go. Then find out the ratio of all these three things. Find out the ratio. What is the total interest? 2,75,000, and multiply that ratio. You will get the interest for first installment, second installment, and third and fourth installment. Next is value of a retained truck. Value of a retained truck. What is the value of retained truck? They have retained 3 trucks. So price of 3 trucks is 5,50,000 into 3, 16,50,000. Depreciation for the first installment, 16,50,000 into 25%. Depreciation charged by the by the Ganesh. Ganesh, it is 25%. Just check the depreciation because we have to. Yeah. Truck is valued at 25%. Now Karavali Brothers have Karavali Brothers valuation you have to take, it is 25%. Repossessed you can take Ganesh, these things. Yeah. 25%. Because first installment is paid and second installment they could not pay. So 2 installments depreciation they have to calculate. See, depreciation is calculated 15 lakh 60,000 into again 25% of 6 months. 6 months, why? Because every half year. So you will get the value of retained truck. Value of repossessed truck. This is a two truck repossessed. And then like what is the depreciation charged? Depreciation charged is 25%. Depreciation charge is 25% here. Yeah. See here, it is a repossessed. This depreciation is 15% here because it is taken over by the Ganesh at 15%. So 15% depreciation is charged. After that, here the 2 trucks were taken repossessed. So again depreciation for 6 months is charged and the value is brought down. Then open the truck account. I think I have explained you what is it. What they have to do is, one is purchase entry. After the purchase entry, interest charge entry, down payment received entry, paid entry, interest charge entry, down payment installment paid entry. Then depreciation is charged every year, balance carried on and balance brought down. See, I'll say here a truck account is there. See a truck account. The truck account will come here. After the truck account, you have to under the truck account and 3 accounts you have to open, that is truck account, then seller's account, then interest account, then transfer every year, carry down and brought down. So you will have carry down and brought down. So that every year you have to pass the entries are one is purchase entry, then after the purchase entry then you have to pass interest due entry. See here, purchase entry, cash price, after that interest due entry, down payment paid entry, then installment paid entry, transfer, close the balance. After that, go to the truck account, calculate the depreciation. What Ganesh used to charge the depreciation is 15% for 6 months because every 6 months it is paid. So transfer it. Then you will get the amount. Then transfer and close the balance. Then again in the second, in the year second time, what happens is interest will be charged, but they will not pay the installment. So the 2 truck account we have to write, and here we have to take the repossessed value. which you have calculated. After that, close down and brought down balance. Okay, then to truck now, so come here, so write here by Karavali Brothers Limited. Then balance carried out, that is a retained value, not a repossessed, this is a retained value. The difference will be transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, okay. This is what happening, profit and loss account. Then close up, carried on and brought on. Interest account, it is simple. We will written interest, transfer it and transfer to profit and loss account. Now in the books of Ganesh, we have to open one sale account, I mean sale, Ganesh account letter to sales account. Sales account, then down payment, received entry, then installment received entry, interest charge entry, balance carried on, balance brought on. Then interest charge entry, then balance carried on. Carried on is then transfer to repossessed truck account. What is the repossessed value? Then carried on and brought on. Open the repossessed truck account wherever I transferred. So to Ganesh account, then transfer to cash account. This is a expenses they have spent. Then they have sold. So by cash account 9,50,000. Difference transfer to profit and loss account. The interest account, you know, wherever you have written interest, it will be by Ganesh and transfer to profit and loss account. So this is how you have to open all the three accounts in the books of purchaser and the seller. Entries is just a repetition of the entries. Remember how to calculate the interest, repossessed value of a truck and a retained value of a truck. Okay, go through the problem. Any doubts you can clarify, because it is a similar problem I have been doing for the last 4-5 classes. I think I have done enough problems, so I will be completing this chapter today, hire purchase system. Tomorrow onwards I will be starting with a new chapter, that is the installment chapter.